Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this session we'll solve this square root problem. So how we can solve this? So solution will be, we'll try to first remove this square root 4. So we can write square root 4 as 2. So we will write under square root, it is square root 4 will replace with 2. And next we have negative square root 3. So as it is. So in the next step we'll multiply this square root 3 in the denominator and numerator with 2 and 2. So now this expression will become, it is under square root, it is 2 minus, here it will be 2 square root 3 and it is divided by 2. Now if we'll take LCM of this, so it is 2. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 minus, here it is 2 square root 3, right? And all the terms having square root. Now in the next, we will write 4 as 3 plus 1. Now look at here. So we are having a square root and 4 will write 3 plus 1, right? And here we have negative 2 square root 3 and whole the terms is divided by 2. Now 3 we can write square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 and 1 we can write 1 square. So now we'll write this expression as square root. So 3 we'll write square root 3 and its whole square. Right here it is square root 3 and square root 3 is square root 3 whole square. And minus we'll write 1 later. It is 2 square root 3 and 1 we'll write plus 1 and its square. And whole the terms is divided by 2. Now if we take square root 3 as a and 1 as b. So this expression in the numerator value we can write it is in the form of a square minus 2 times, here it is a, and here we can multiply it by 1 so that it is multiplied by b plus b square, right? So it is a square minus 2 times ab plus b square is a minus b whole square, right? So it is a minus b whole square. So we'll write it as under square root. A means square root 3 minus b means 1 and its whole square, and in the denominator we have 2 and 2 we can write square root 2 multiplied by square root 2. So it is square root 2 whole square, right? So here in the denominator we'll write 2 square root 2 and its square. Now here the numerator and denominator is having a square value, so it is in the form of a square by b square. So we can write this term as a over b and whole square, means numerator and denominator and its whole square. Similarly here it is square root 3 minus 1 divided by square root 2 and its whole square, and all the terms is having square root value. Now here we can cancel the square root and square value, right? Now we are left with, in the numerator it is square root 3 minus 1 divided by square root 2. Now in the next step we'll multiply square root 2 in the numerator and denominator. So it's square root 2 in the numerator and denominator. Now in the denominator we are having 2. Square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 is 2, and it is square root 2 multiplied by square root 3 minus 1. Now we'll multiply square root 2 by both the numbers. So it is square root 2 and square root 3 is square root 6 minus square root 2 multiplied by 1 is square root 2, and that is divided by 2. The value of square root 6 is approximately 2.449, and the approximate value of square root 2 is 1.414, right? So our new expression will be, in place of square root 6 it is 2.449 minus square root 2 is 1.414, and that is divided by 2. Now if we'll solve this, it will become 1.035 divided by 2. So the value of this term is approximately, it is 0.575, and this will be the answer of this expression. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching the video.